Hello and welcome. My name is Jürgen Rinelli and I'm a software consultant. Today I'm going to show you in my Endpoint Central series the reporting capabilities within Endpoint Central. So have fun. Today's subject is reporting. Reports you will find in every module in Endpoint Central. You will find them as text-based reports, table-based reports, or like here with dashboards. Okay, so where to find it module-wise, just for example, go on threads and patches and you will find them here. Reports, you will find predefined reports, but even in some modules, executive reports. Those are pre-configured reports for the executive. Get a holistic view of vulnerabilities, systems and server misconfigurations in your network, high priority reports, and CIS compliance reports. All those reports can be downloaded, can be scheduled as well with once daily, weekly, mask the informations and such. All right, then there is the compliance reports. Let's generate one of those. There you have to choose the targeted groups and the compliance module, what you already pre-configured within the compliance. We ran one of those already, so now we can choose those reports here. Let's choose, hopefully this is one with data. I just choose randomly compliance status. What do we want to know? We want to know, failed. All the others don't count, failed and errors. Compliance percentage. I want to see what's below 50%. Yeah. Okay, mask, no. I want to have all retained, all personal information because I want to know the computer name. All right, I understand that there might be exported disclosure, personal identity of an individual. Generate report. Okay, detailed report initiated successfully, and it's already completed, that report. So let's download that report we just made. Download it, and Chrome. I have to get out here to get it. So I'll open it, and now you see this is a Excel report. You receive that as an XLX, and with rule informations and how to fix, and there are the compliances. Failed. We filtered on failed and errors, so we will see everything in here. Okay, let's close that and let's go back to the executive reports. What else? Let's see the high priority report. I want to see it. Retain personal information. Yes. Export. Here, it might take a bit until you receive the report. I got it immediately. Let's just put it on the screen. Here, this is the high priority report. And in any case, you have an own logo, own naming, the rebranding in your company build up here. So you will see it as well. So all the top affected systems, top vulnerable systems, systems with no antivirus. Lucky me, there is nothing shown. Top vulnerabilities, and there's a lot of more information already pre-configured and ready to schedule. Now, what else do we have? We have the inventory. Within the inventory, you will find inventory reports. You can see them here, especially for the inventory. So I want to see now the general reports menu. here within that module, you have all those reports we've seen earlier now within the other reports. So let's have the threats and patches reports. Even here you find again the executive reports and predefined reports, as well like inventory reports. For example, those reports are interactive. So let's say you want to have a report computers without a specific software. Just choose that and you can filter it. Software name equals, just choose a software, generate report. Then you see on which systems this software is installed. Okay, and all is linked, so you will find yourself in the inventory tab once you click here. Let's go back to the reports. What else do we have? Lots of reports like browser reports, device control reports, BitLocker reports. BitLocker, let's go in there and you see what is encrypted and what is not encrypted. Okay, so there is the Active Directory reporting as well on the on-prem only, and you can schedule the report here. Schedule now. Let's go in there, enable AD report scheduler, and yeah, I don't have any domain in here, so it's useless to try to configure it with me. But in your case, when you followed all my videos, you will probably have an Active Directory already implemented, added to your within Agent tab. So then you can choose your Active Directory to be, synced. And update complete object, update only modified object. I stick usually with the complete object. It's not taking a lot of resources, and I recommend to have that as a schedule on daily basis. Maybe the lunchtime would be preferred time, so that you will have changes in the Active Directory already reflected, that's the word I've been looking for, that you have reflected already in the after the lunchtime. So all those reports here within the it took me back to the admin tab. Within the Active Directory section, user reports, unused user accounts, inactive user accounts, computer reports, group reports, nested groups, OU reports, or computers only OUs, nested OUs, whatever, domain reports, there are several, and even GPO reports. All those can be reflected through the Active Directory sync, and you will find those informations here. Might be useful if you don't have any tools like the Audit, Log360, or whatever, AD Manager, something like that. Cool. What else do we have in here? We have a report scheduler. Of course, for all the reports already in that system, here on the left side, you can schedule those. The Active Directory reports, it's grayed out. I don't have the Active Directory. So let's say you want to have a report for installed patches and see the last 7 days. Just go in here on the most of those selections, you will find that filter symbol. So let's click on that and let's just say last 7 days. Okay, installed column. We want to see the install date. Deployed date. Yeah. It is just an optical thing. What I still miss is in here to have it in an alphabetical order. Okay, deployed date criteria. Last N days, and we will give it a 7 and then save and apply, and you'll have that report in here. Yeah, then let's say let's build that report. Let's see how it looks like. Install patches, and I want to retain all personal information. I want to have it like in PDF and receive emails when no data is available. Yes, in that case, because I want to see that report, irrespectively if there are data in or not. Action, send each report as an attachment or as a zipped file, or publish only an URL. Cool thing as well. And you can have it also with when it is a size over 5 megabyte automatically. Use the configured NAT settings to access report links. Yes, of course. Now the email address to send it to, and the subject, again, it's sample report, and the scheduler. You can schedule that here once or daily based, weekly, monthly. Yeah, I will have it once, and I want to have it right now. And schedule valid time on my time zone. Yeah, I have to select a time later than now. Schedule. Okay, he has been right. I understand that the report might contain personal data and agree. Yes, I agree. Schedule it. Now I will receive that email in a few minutes. I want to see it right away. So then let's click here and execute now. Yes, it will be sent immediately. Once it is sent, or the scheduled time is not, it has been passed, and you want to see that again, that report, you can execute it manually as well as we did it right now, and you could modify even the scheduler, of course. Now let's see that report. So now that's the email I received. And let's see the pictures, whatever. And now I will see that report. You see, good thing though that I had it executed even without any data. And yeah, you see that report here. Fine, done, works. And within that reports, of course, if you modify it, you can have more reports in the same scheduler. You do not need to send to schedule each report separately. Now then, there is a custom report builder. That's a quite new report builder. And there is a how-tos are always available. The new report builder looks like that. Choose your columns you wish to add, and add formulas, and you have the filter settings here by criterias, and even charts. You can set up charts here. Not only a bar or a line anymore, there are pies, dial, pyramid, funnel. Yeah, lots of possibilities. You can have the submodule, computer, hardware, or software. Just play a bit around, go through the documentation if you wish. It's an easy thing. Cancel. All right, then the custom dashboard builder. Oh no, something I forgot. I missed to mention. If you configure a custom report, you can get that scheduled as well. Just within here, the custom reports and even query reports. Now it's still grayed out because I don't have any, but if you have, you can choose those for scheduling as well. That query reports are here. You can add a new query report. And with the SQL statements, if you need help for the query reports, you can ask that from the vendor. Just go through the request for query, and fill out all the necessary informations, and the team will come back to you. So now let's switch back. Okay, the custom dashboards. This is a functionality, even that is new. You can create your own dashboard based on the DAX module, more or less. Create a custom report here to have it enabled. We will go through that custom dashboards. We will get through that in a separate video when we have all the dashboards within DAX and all the data enabled to see even more. Fine. Then there is, of course, another opportunity. When you go to the admin tab, you will find the integrations. Within the integrations, there is advanced analytics. This is a great cool tool from Manage Engine, offering you in-depth analysis of your endpoints, giving you a unified view of the desktop and server infrastructure. And with this report, you can build up even better dashboards and have it combined with other solutions what you might have in your company. Try it out. It is even here possible to have it downloaded, and there is a learn more about that tool and the integration, the benefits and such. And if you want to use your own tools, possible as well. There is a API Explorer, API Explorer. As a German, I always say API. So here you will find more in-depth possibilities to combine with your preferred solutions. That's it, the reporting module within Endpoint Central. Hope to see you soon again.